At the end of the lane lies a piece of American history. They don't build them like they used to. Ain't that what they say? If these walls could talk, man, what a story. This house came by rail from a Sears catalog page, built by hands and dreams that still echo through the age. From the fireplace glow to the workshop out back, some things you can't replace, and that's a fact. Over a century, she's still standing tall, with the woodwork that they built with love. Brick fireplace glowing as the rain starts to fall. The sound of the drops above. This house came by rail from a Sears catalog page, built by hands and dreams that still echo through the age. From the fireplace glow to the workshop out back, some things you can't replace, and that's a fact. Well, I've known this place since I was a boy. Just a quarter acre of pure joy. These walls have known a lot of memories of my grandpa working in his shed, me and my brother up in our beds. The sound of the rain puts us to sleep. This house came by rail from a Sears catalog page, built by hands and dreams that still echo through the age. From the fireplace glow to the workshop out back, some things you can't replace, and that's a fact. Oh, that's a fact. At the end of the lane lies a piece of American history. They don't build them like they used to. Ain't that what they say? If these walls could talk, man,